Here's one of the strangest plant facts ever. Rhubarb the vegetable can actually be heard growing, especially in the dark. During a process called forced rhubarb farming, farmers grow it in completely dark sheds, and as the stalks grow quickly, they make popping and squeaking sounds. It's so quiet in there. You can literally sit and listen to a plant grow. The sound comes from the leaves rubbing and stalks splitting the soil. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's loud, strange, and alive. For more interesting facts like this, subscribe to our channel Science by Shami. As the farmer moves through the dimly lit shed, he takes notes on the unique sounds surrounding him, captivated by the extraordinary experience. The air is filled with an eerie quietness, interrupted only by the occasional pop from a growing stalk. This peculiar method of cultivation reveals the hidden life of plants, reminding us that growth can be as much about sound as it is about sight. Nature holds mysteries that continue to astonish, waiting for curious minds to explore.